Hi, so you know how to solve equations, but what if there is a variable on both sides of your equation? So let's take a look at what we're going to do. Let's say we have something like 3a minus 7 equals 2a plus 3. Okay, well, we have a variable on both sides. We don't like that. We have to choose one of the variables. It does not matter which one, but I always prefer to choose the smaller one. So in this case, we have a 3a and a 2a. Well, 2 is smaller than 3, so I choose 2. Okay, I'm going to draw my wall. I always draw this because it helps keep me organized and helps me know if I do one thing on one side of the wall, I have to do it on the other side also. So this is a 2a. Now, we want to get rid of the 2 and the a. So I'm not splitting up the 2a. I'm getting rid of this whole thing. So this is a positive 2a. In order to get rid of the whole thing, the whole 2a, I have to subtract 2a on both sides of my wall. Now, it does matter where I subtract it from. This has an a, so I have to do 3a minus 2a. Okay, if I did negative 7 minus 2a, then those are not like terms and I'm not allowed to combine them. So now I have 3a minus 2a. That's just 1a, which is the same thing as just a. So now I have a minus 7 equals 3. Because this is gone, that's just 0. And now this is actually just a one-step equation. Add 7 to both sides, and we get that a equals 10. Okay, let's go ahead and try one more example. Let's say that we have 4b plus 8 equals 7b minus, what's that going to equal? 7. Sure, we'll try that. Okay, first thing I always do is I draw my wall. It helps keep me organized. I remember whatever I do on one side of the wall, I have to do on the other. Now, there's a b on both sides of that equal sign, which that's not okay with us. We choose one of the letters. I always choose the smaller one. So there's a 4b and a 7b. I'll choose 4 because it is smaller. I want to get rid of this whole thing, the whole 4b. So this is a positive 4b. The opposite of a positive is minus 4b on both sides. I subtract 4b from the 7b because they are like terms. I cannot subtract it from this minus 7 because those are not like terms. So 4b minus 4b is 0. That's gone. The only thing left is this 8 equals. And then we have 7b minus 4b is 3b minus 7. Now it's just a two-step equation. We're trying to get b by itself. First, we're going to do plus 7 on both sides. Plus 7 on both sides. Then 8 plus 7 is 15. And negative 7 plus 7 is 0, so I don't have to include the 0. And my last step is divide by 3 on both sides because there's this invisible multiplication sign. So the opposite of multiply is divide. So now I have 3 divided by 3 is 1. So that's 1 times b, which is just b. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So the answer is 5. So that is your introduction to having a variable on both sides of the equal sign.